Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I made my remix of. Okay, so first up we have our drums. Okay, so I have all the drums going into a drum bus on the mixer, and on this drum bus I only have a compressor and a patch preset called enhancer. So this is how it sounds before. And this is how it sounds after. Okay, so I have this guitar loop right here. And then I pitched it down about 24 cents. I then layered it with the EQ, some delays and a limiter. So that is how it sounds after the effects. So the same guitar sample, I just reversed it just to have some variation in the melody, and it sounds like this. So for the bass I'm using this one shot. And then I threw some fruity wave shape on it just to give it some distortion. This bass is also running through another bus, and on that bus I have a limiter and just a parametric EQ. This is before, and this is after processing. I duplicated this bass line, made it unique, and also pitched it down, also to have some variation in the bass. Okay, so this is before, and then this is after. I also added this growl just before the bass. And then also have it running into the same bus that I have the main bass on. Okay, so for some ear candy I added this one shot from Slate Digital. It's like a ringing bell. Okay, so on this I have a parametric EQ too, where I just removed some of the lows, and then I have just the reverb and delay. Okay, so this is how it sounded before all the effects. Okay, and this is how it now sounds after all the effects on the spell. So for the leads I'm using these two plugins, Poison and Morphine, and I'm basically playing these notes going up the scale from F sharp to C sharp, yeah, and it sounds like this. Okay, so I'm playing these two sounds together just to beef it up more. This is how the Razor lead sounds on its own. And this is the preset from Morphine. And this is how it sounds together. Okay, so I added these atmosphere sounds just to have in certain parts of the beat. Not a lot of processing, just some stereo widening, EQ, and just removing some of the highs and the lows. I also recorded this arpeggio sound from Expand, and I just recorded it basically into Edison and used it as a one shot. So this is how it sounds without any processing. Okay, so the first effect is pancakes, but I only have it on 50%, so I'm panning from left and right, and then I have some chorus effects and just some reverb, and this is how it sounds after processing. Okay, so for sound effects I have this impact here. And then I have effects like this, and like this. So these effects are also going into one bus, which also has its own processing on it. So yeah, that is basically all the sounds and all the instruments used in the whole beat. Guys, let me know what you think of this one. Yeah, and if you like it, please, you guys already know, hit the like and subscribe buttons. In the comment section, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, enjoy the final result.
When I step up in the place, say yo, I step correct. You all in check. I got that head nod shit that make you break your neck. I got you all in check. And you know we come through to wreck the discotheque. I got you all in check. Throw your hands up in the air, don't ever disrespect. I got you all in check. Bust the rhymes up in the place, true indeed. Yes, I catch wreck and that's word on my seed. I'm guaranteed to give you what you need. One blood, everybody like Junior Reed. Wake up every morning, yo, I must succeed. Nationwide rockers make the world stampede. Yo, Willie, make we roll some weed. Mad charge, nigga, now I must proceed. Yo, we about to make moves, set speed. Beast to baby, fight Q-tip, Ali Shaheed. Watch me knock you out like Apollo Creed. Body blows, busting your shit, making you bleed. Just feed off dynamic flows and take heed. Need more information, homeboy, than just read. Hey, you can read all about the pure breed. Do the vocal, that's my new the never seen. I step up in the place, say yo, I step correct. I got you all in check. I got that head nod shit that make you break your neck. Cause I got you all in check. And you know we come through to wreck that discotheque. Cause I got you all in check. Throw your hands up in the air and never disrespect. Cause I got you all in check. How dare you ever try to step on my suede shoes? Top gun shut down your firm like Tom Cruise. Please, let me get down and blow a fuse. Acting fools, breaking shit down to molecules. Yo, let me hit you with my ill street blues. Busta Rhymes always headlines the street news. Baby girl, don't be confused. Sell my 17